Namaskar dosto. Today is 20th Jan 2021. First step to be a successful trader is to build a trade plan. This channel is my journey in stock market, where in this specific video I talk about my trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty and disclose my trade plan for the next trading session. I hope that these discussions will add value to your trade setup and trading ideas for tomorrow. So for today, our trade plan for Nifty as well as for Bank Nifty was to buy on dip somewhere closer to pivot. What happened in Nifty today was Nifty had a gap up opening, first 15-minute bar, then one red bar, and then the bull took the control of the market and Nifty had a strong follow up to the yesterday's upside move. My trade plan was to buy on dip, and Nifty never came in my corner, so I did not took any trade on Nifty today. There was definitely a 15-minute breakout trade possible, so I did not take that trade as that was not my plan. Then I al- so that's what happened in Nifty. In Bank Nifty, again our trade plan was to buy on dip, and Bank Nifty also did not came in my corner, so I did not took any trade on Bank Nifty. And Bank Nifty had a very narrow range today. It almost over 200 point move in the entire day and almost did nothing. So today a no trade day for me. So now let's see what's happening. What we have for tomorrow. So before we go for Nifty chart, let's try to understand how the dollar is moving. So after 2 days of decline, dollar is again started coming up. So this is also or not a good sign for our market for tomorrow. But on other side, S&P and global market are zooming up. S&P had a gap up opening, and now if you see this green bar, it is just gonna touch the sky. So S&P 500 is almost maybe an all-time high. I'm not sure about that, but it has broken the previous few session high for sure. So this is a sign. This is a very positive sign. Now, when we look into SGX, SGX is currently at 11,640. So for tomorrow, when we look into Nifty on a daily basis, Nifty is above 8, above 20, and above all the moving average. So on daily basis, Nifty is technically in the uptrend. On 15-minute chart, again market is closed above 8, above 20, above 50, and above 200. So 15-minute is also in uptrend. Only doubt what I have is this dollar moving up. So tomorrow our pivot for Nifty is 11,609, and we have R3 at 11,686, and that's exactly where currently we have SGX Nifty running. And our 11,604 and 11,563 is the L3 and L4. So what could happen tomorrow is we can have a gap up opening, which is close to around R1, R2. Yeah, just close to around R1, and then we see a sharp fall from here, or sharp correction from here. One good opportunity would be, one trade could be this short trade from R1 towards 14,550 zone, and then we may see a recovery from this to for and recovery from this side. So two trades possible tomorrow. One is short on rise, which could be in the first half of the day, and then in the second half we can have another entry, which can be buy on dip. So for buy on dip, our level for tomorrow is 14,604 and 14,563. Now, if the dollar index has a major impact tomorrow, and if 14,566 is broken, then we may see a support at 14,515. So I would be inclined tomorrow to take a short trade in the morning if I see some amount of price reversal on R1. Now on Bank Nifty, uh, again on daily basis, if we see Uh, Bank Nifty is above 8, above 20, and above all moving averages. So it's an uptrend. In 15-minute chart, Bank Nifty has closed just on 20 and closer to 8 and about 50 and about 200. So uptrend. So technically a trade which sits on this is buy on dip at L3 levels of 32,474 and 32,389. For tomorrow, the Bank Nifty pivot is at 32,526. So anything in this zone, specifically at the bottom, that is 32,386, could be a good buying zone for a Bank Nifty. So I'm expecting tomorrow lots of movement, and let's see which trade I take tomorrow. So thank you very much. If you're still with me, please give me a comment, tell me what is your view on this. It's a like and share button which motivates me to come and publish this video on daily basis. So stay healthy and Jai Hind.